You have got a wonderful steady paycheck from 9 to 5, that's good. But what would be the factor that can make that good evolve into great? Deep down you think and want more money necessarily means more freedom and ultimately more flexibility that can help pull you out from that 9 to 5 boring routine. There is a need and demand for an action. Passive income is money you earn that doesn't require you to do a lot of active work to continue making it. In essence, you can do most of the work up front and put some additional effort along the way to earn an income. Dropshipping is one of those ways to passive incomes that can ultimately give you the cash that not even your main job can provide, given the fact that one gives the due time it requires. It is one of the most profitable passive income sources one can find online. Dropshipping is when a vendor fulfills orders from a third party and has them shipped directly to the customer. The vendor usually pays for the item at a discount by working directly with a manufacturer or wholesaler. Their profit comes from the difference in the initial item cost and whatever price they sell it at. What you need for dropshipping is a web page hosting and domain, like famously known as Wix and Shopify. Some people also use Shopify, and in return is the blooming income that even makes the main source of income look embarrassing. How to run a store is a main purpose for running a dropshipping store, and it requires to find the products that have less competition and more demand in the market. Then, you require is the front that can work as a product provider. The ultimate result is the sale of the product at a price that other storefronts cannot compete on. In other words, a low-cost but a high-reward technique is the way to a successful dropshipping store. You need to find the manufacturer and obviously the product that can provide you the profit. Furthermore, always go for low-cost product as it sells more and can even sell in bulk. It is skill that demands the online store management, patience and SEO for your store so that your online dropshipping store gets running. If you don't have it, then don't worry, you can hire someone to handle your storefront, but it's expensive than the former. Hopefully you have enjoyed knowing about another amazing opportunity to earn a handsome passive income that can also become your main source of income. Don't wait and get yourself going by mastering this skill and earn a profuse cash.